CNP featured research. This is your Diet Mental Health Break, brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology. 2 minutes to learn and be good to yourself. Facial attractiveness might depend on what we just ate. We all know that our attractiveness can change under different circumstances. When we're really tired, or after we've had a sleepless night, we might not appear as attractive as when we're fresh and well-rested. This difference will primarily reflect on our face, one of the most important parts of the human body for evaluating attractiveness. Research suggests that certain universal features, such as clear skin, balanced facial proportions, and symmetry, are consistently rated more attractive across different cultures. However, cultural differences do exist, with preferences for specific facial traits varying based on societal norms and environmental factors. But does facial beauty depend on what we've just eaten? Study author Amandine Visine and her colleagues wanted to investigate whether refined carbohydrate intake affects facial attractiveness in young men and women. They invited 104 young adults for breakfast in their lab. Researchers randomly assigned them to either eat a breakfast containing unrefined carbohydrates or a breakfast containing refined carbohydrates. 2 hours after breakfast, they took photos of participants' faces. Study authors then had independent raters rate their attractiveness, masculinity or femininity, and apparent age. Results show that eating breakfast with refined carbohydrates reduced facial attractiveness in both men and women. There were also other more complex relationships between dietary habits and attractiveness ratings. Analyses showed that it is possible that breakfast contents and dietary habits modified how old and how masculine or feminine one looked. This, in turn, affected the attractiveness ratings. Results of this study indicate that to maintain facial beauty, one might consider diet, aside from other factors. Our thanks to Amandine Visine and her colleagues for conducting this informative analysis. This Diet Mental Health Break is brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology, CNP.